This Japanese lemon cake with perfect honey glaze is designed to be forgotten and remembered. That's the secret behind this lemon cake. It doesn't demand attention. It invites you to slow down. This is why the cake looks so simple. Simplicity here is not missing detail. It's choosing restraint. A lemon brings light, not sharpness. It's brightness without noise. This cake isn't asking to be remembered for flavor alone. It wants to be remembered for how it made you feel. The honey glaze you see isn't here to change the cake. It's here to reflect calm, like light on still water. In Japanese design, knowing when to stop is a skill. More is easy. Less is thoughtful. Every cake has a memory. This is Sweet Backstories.